Well, Rebecca, April Fool's Day turned out to not be so funny after a man allegedly filmed himself inside the Peoria Aldi on University Street coughing on at least 2 people. 25-year-old Kenneth Stone on your screen of Washington first was just given a disorderly conduct ticket, but the Peoria County State's Attorney's Office recommended Stone's charges be upgraded. Now he's facing 2 counts of aggravated battery, a Class 3 felony, and 2 counts of aggravated assault, a Class A misdemeanor. Court records show his bond was set at $2,000 and he was released. Now, while the incident reportedly happened on April 1st, an arrest warrant was put out for Stone on April 2nd. And he was taken 3 weeks later. He was arrested 3 weeks later, and he's set to appear in court in November. Rebecca.